My name's Aaron Brock. I'm the director here at Missoula Food Bank and Community Center. Really grateful to be here with you on such a beautiful day, generating solar power. This array behind me will generate enough power to power about 3 or 4 Missoula homes in their entirety every year. So it's a significant amount of power going on to our grid. It'll save the food bank about $3,500 each year in our energy costs, and that is money that we'll turn around and plow back into food purchasing and all of our programs to keep us strong.
I'm BD Erickson from Satic Solar. This project was a blessing and a really fun thing to work on. It's always when you get the opportunity to serve your community and a good cause. So all of this racking is absolutely handmade and custom here in Missoula, Montana. Well, since we were doing custom racking, that allowed us to tilt it at the perfect degree for the latitude that we are here in western central Montana. Secondly, the food bank faces almost perfectly south. So while we were able to use tier 1 componentry, we were able to design the system for optimal use, and we got a lot of volunteer. The things that the soft costs that we could do, our brain power and our manpower, it was our privilege to volunteer those and do them for the community. And Missoula Food Bank really does serve our entire community, not just their customers.
Solar panels like this also help, relative to greenhouse gas emissions, and it's just a wonderful benefit for the community.
Go turn it on, go turn it on.
Yeah. All right.
It's gonna be busy, huh?
Really busy.